Dear friends, a very warm welcome to Phil India's 10th anniversary celebrations. This is a very special moment for us. This is a milestone to cherish, to celebrate, and to feel very proud of. We'd like to share with you this special video. Through this video, we'd like to share glimpses of a wonderful journey and some thoughts on our exciting future ahead.
10 years ago, we ventured into a land of possibilities, India. India, where the potential was immense, challenges and obstacles enormous, but intentions clear.
Building something grounds up is always very challenging. India being a new country on Fidelity's map, my first job was to establish the opportunities that are available in the country, challenges that are there and how we deal with them, for example infrastructure, and building confidence that a well-established Indian operation can be an asset for the organization over a long period of time.
With rich talent, our scope evolved. We flourished in numbers and in quality, and we continue to expand.
It's people who make this company great. It's not just the organization.
I think we have got a great talent in Fidelity India, and it's the passion and drive to exceed in their careers.
You know why the talent comes out? It's because they're given that kind of a free hand to really experiment.
I think now it's about adding more value with the same number of people.
The talent that we have recruited here has become a benchmark for professionalism, team spirit, and their positive attitude. And this talent is now being increasingly leveraged in other parts of the organization.
We grew, we expanded, and we diversified in ethnicity, in talent, in skills, and we embraced the heart of India.
Over the last 10 years, we've seen that everything that we believed about what we could do in India has changed. We've added new functions, we've added capabilities that were thought not to be possible from here, and we've been continuing to deliver that.
We've grown business analysis function out of India now that provide a lot of the detail. We have the full 24/7 support completely out of India for email sites.
We at Fidelity foster innovation and encourage people to take different roles based on their strengths and interests.
We have seen, people taking on cross-functional roles and being successful at that.
There's so much diversity I got in the different roles I've been able to do. There's so much I've learned. It's made me grow as an individual.
Fostering the bonds of trust and allowing for the flow of ideas, we build the foundations of a strong organization, open and flexible.
The mutual trust is reflected in the growth of the team and the kind of opportunities that have been provided to us.
The organization model which we follow in Phil is of an integrated enterprise. We are an extension of what is running in UK.
Trust is the very foundation stone of Fidelity.
Culture and the people kept me holding for so long, and it has been a great journey.
Whatever contribution I've made to Fidelity, Fidelity has equally matched that contribution while recognizing my work.
With a dedicated force and a clear vision, our combined efforts created new possibilities.
At the beginning, when the AMC did not have an office, Phil Gurgaon was the office. And then it became a key business enabler by offering it a number of support services. They almost stood like the backbone for the AMC.
We held ourselves accountable equally when a global initiative did not go as per the expectation.
Spirit of togetherness where everyone achieves more.
Lot of resonance of the organizational values.
Amazing work culture, great teamwork, wonderful people.
Even if you sit miles away from your team, your good work doesn't go unnoticed.
From possibilities emerge opportunities, and opportunities lead to growth.
Fidelity is a workplace that provides us with a world of diverse opportunities, not only to experiment but also hone our professional skills.
Fidelity gave me tremendous opportunity to think and act like an entrepreneur.
Fidelity is all about change, so if you believe in change, Fidelity is a place to work for.
Our timeline is a reflection of confronting challenges, becoming more, and paving the way forward. Today, we stand enriched with over a decade of experience.
Business knowledge and corporate history was another area to be built. Short-term assignees and expats from the UK played a critical role here.
A lot of the people that we've hired over 9 years ago are still here. They were developers then, they're managers today. They've grown and seen the company grow and also India grow. Their domain and trust has brought the support team to be fully led out of India.
Multi-skill set people, professionalism of highest standards.
We need to harness the energy and experience that our people have to develop as an innovation hub. And this will really push our functions to a next level.
For us, happiness is simply a state of mind.
Work hard, play harder is what Fidelity is all about.
Working at Fidelity is real fun.
Happy employees deliver great results.
The challenges are immense, but we know that the future is promising. Together we shall write it.
The customer services and technology teams have helped lay the foundation for business growth for the AMC. They have partnered the business in several firsts.
We are not afraid of taking risks. We have a go-getter attitude, a strong determination to do things.
People around me, very focused.
Passion for my customers, for the people I work with, the work that I do, I think is very important.
Huge amount of pride that people have in their work.
Throughout the journey, I would ask myself, are we adding value more than what is expected out of us?
To take the India organization to the next level and to realize our vision, there are three things that we need to focus on. The first is to develop leaders at all levels. The second imperative for us is to drive continuous improvement and innovation. And finally, we need to much better leverage the co-location of our functions.
And our legacy shall be everlasting. As we continuously deliver value multiplied.
As we celebrate our 10th anniversary, we should feel very proud and happy of the Phil India journey. There are tremendous opportunities ahead of us, both individually and collectively. Let us work together to make a difference to Phil India and Phil globally. It promises to be an exciting journey. Come on, let's embark on it.